Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Space's unofficial channel. If you like our videos, give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's see how to install the Bonus G30 wheel bolt. Remove the wheel bolt from your wheel. Install the wheel bolt first and then install the shell. Install the wheel bolt with a hex 17mm socket. Bonus wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolt. Install a lock wheel bolt with the lock key. Use a torque wrench and set it to 140 Nm to tighten the wheel bolt. Install the shell by hand and prohibit the use of impulse driver. Use a torque wrench and set it to 5 Nm to 10 Nm to tighten the shells. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. Thanks for watching and have a great day!